Hey there, my friend. We're taking my favorite banana bread recipe and giving it a little bit of a tropical twist. We are going to start out with mashing 3 very ripe bananas, adding in eggs and vanilla and melted butter. We're then going to add sour cream and crushed pineapple, 1 cup with some juices. The juices are going to make it nice and delicious, the perfect consistency after it is done baking. From there, we're going to add sugar, salt, powder, flour, and some shredded, sweetened is what I prefer. You could do unsweetened as well, coconut flakes. And we're going to mix that into the batter there. If you want to thin the batter out at all, I would use a touch more of the crushed pineapple liquid. From there, I'm transferring it into 2 square 9x9 baking dishes because I did not have any 9x5 loaf pans where I was the day that I was making this. So I just transferred them into the dish that you see there. You can just adjust the baking time. And once they're baked, slice and serve. There you have it. You can see details there about how to get the recipe for this Hawaiian banana bread. We hope you enjoy.